Hello, Eric. This will be some video midterm feedback for you. I'll be looking at 3.2. I'll also look at the submission on the discussion board this week just to see if there's any differences. If you need any help or extensions in these difficult times, let me know. And nice to meet you, and I bid you strength. Eric, this looks good, and I'm glad that you included the high-res photos. When I open your Illustrator file, I won't relink to them just to save some time, but let me take a look at that. Now, did you think to include screenshots of your process? It's something that will be necessary to illustrate your final reflection with, and that's about 1/3 of the class. Interesting. So this looks different, I think, from what I last saw. Am I missing something? In other words, are these silhouettes intentional? The arrangement is good. I like the way that you have distributed the ingredients throughout the page. I like this sort of general diagonal movement. It looks good. This rule, was that intentional? And I like, how things extend beyond it, but you might also consider perhaps bleeding images to make it a little bit more dynamic. Since you can't really do much about the way that's cropped, can you? Maybe make it a feature. And now I'm curious about that silhouette or this silhouette. Oh, I see. Okay. Nice concept. I get it. But for that reason, because I didn't get it until late, you might want to make this a little bit more prominent. Think about common vertical axes that you can align things on so that it's not too random. Vary the scale of stuff. Don't distort it like I'm doing here. Perhaps bring some of it to the front, some of it to the back. Bring the logo. Use the logo in its entirety. I wouldn't substitute fonts. Did you know how to do that? Open up the PDF style guide and just select and paste into this document the logo. Let me show you. So I've opened the Amethyst Bay PDF style guide in Illustrator, and I'm just going to select the logo. I'm going to go back to your page, create a layer for it, maybe call that layer logo. Paste it. Oops, come on now. Now, it's not gonna show up that well because of the type color is the same color as the background. But here's what you can do. You can use the eyedropper tool to change all that. Anyway, you get the idea. I would recommend that you use the full logo. But you've got an interesting set of ingredients, Eric, and I look forward to seeing how you adapt them to the web.